everyone, the name is me, Little Crazy, but you can call me Crazy. Now, I am back with this. Canary? Canary? Canroy? Canary. I have no idea how to pronounce that. So if you know how to pronounce that, please comment in the downstairs. That should work, right? Sure, why not? Anyway, I don't know how this is. Let's find out. Level uno. Canary mining colony. Blah 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 blah. Asteroid. This. Click to take off. Oh, I see. So you basically... Enough slacking. You, Canary, get paid good money. Oh, sorry. Yeah, basically you're using a laser to mine. I'm alive! Yay! Okay, basically, I'm pretty sure, right? Okay. Yeah, that's basically the premise of the game. Mining. No. No! Ow! Yay! Get a move on, rookie. We've got a schedule to keep using the big drill up ahead. Holy fudge. That's a bad thing. I'm the greatest miner. I can't afford, but I can't buy any drinks. I can't buy you any drinks either. That's always funny. You know, this reminds me of the time when I started mining. Is that a mining? Nope. I'm still technically a miner, so. Look at the take off. I am a flying flu. Wahoo too. Yeah, you can read it when you watch the video.
Wah-ha!
What are these things? They look ugly. Yeah, and this is has this. Oh. Interesting. Oh, sorry, I get quiet when I concentrate. I'm bad at English speaking. Let's do it here. So, I'ma go shoot this Ellen. I gotta shoot this Ellen. Hey. Uh-oh. You explode on impact. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it off here, yes. Even though this, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't record for extended period of times and edit it down because I have no idea how to. Because I've never done it before. So maybe sometime, maybe if I do something over the weekend for it. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's basically the end of the video. So if you like, leave a like and subscribe. Maybe in the comments below how to defeat those little beasts. Yeah. So anyway, guys, keep smiling and hasta luego.